Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets, and this is...
with Gears and Gadgets. Hey, why'd you beep out my name?
Never really on...
Why?
She's never really on the channel because, well, a lot of reasons, but I've been doing this now for over 9 years, and today is a big day. We hit 100,000 subscribers. The reason I wanted to have her here with me today is because this is a pretty special moment for me. Show them what we got here.
We've got our play button.
We got the silver play button, which is a pretty big deal. So I've been doing this channel since before she was born, which is pretty crazy. There's been a lot of times that I've been making videos or had to travel, and there's a lot of sacrifices that are made to run a YouTube channel. I just wanted to take a moment not only to thank you guys, but to thank...
Why do you always beep my name out?
Because she has made a lot of sacrifices. Because of that, I'm going to let her do the honors of unboxing this huge milestone.
Well, he's been waiting for the play button to come for 2 weeks.
Boom. Roasted.
That I have. Grab the knife. It is very sharp. And not my thumb.
Line it up perfectly in.
Be careful. Hold that knife tight. Hold that knife tight.
I did.
Okay.
If it falls, it's your fault.
Okay. All right.
Oh, it is fine.
It's
foam.
beautiful.
It's foam.
Oh. All right. Here, do you want to read this?
Ooh, this is so sad. Sorry. I'm keeping that.
You can keep the phone. That's your...
So I can read it?
Yes.
Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged by great care by Rick.
Rick?
Rick. Rick roll.
Good job. Did we just get Rick roll on our YouTube Creator Award? Ready?
Okay, I'm ready to read it.
Done.
I'm ready to read it. I'm reading it. I'm reading it. I call reading it. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th or your 100,000th subscriber?
Everybody, let's see if we can drop me down. Let's keep this going. Let's see if we can turn this into a 3-beer event. Hey, subs from doing weekly content. Yes! We did it! All right, we're back. 10 years, guys. Oh, somebody else did it too. Maybe be careful what I wish for. How many years have I been doing this? February 15th, 2016. Oh, shit, I missed it. I did 100K, and I was too busy looking at other stuff. Yeah, we did it. Woo! Do you believe that I'm more famous than Mr. Beast?
You're not.
I bet you Mr. Beast doesn't have one of these. He only has that stupid diamond one, which is for
the diamond one's more rare to get. Opening it.
Opening it.
And, whoa! Presented to Gears and Gadgets for passing 1,000 subscribers.
100,000 subscribers.
100,000 subscribers.
There we go. We did it. This is actually, this is pretty cool, and it's going right somewhere up over there. But like I said, this has been a long time.
I told you it can't be nailed on the wall because of its thickness.
She told me it can't be nailed to the wall, but there are some little hangers on the back.
But it can't be like nailed to the wall. That's what you were originally thinking to do.
I will have no problem getting this thing hung up on the wall. What she doesn't appreciate now, and honestly maybe never will, I don't totally know, because this is just, to her, I've just been a YouTuber for as long as she can remember. But a big part of why I started this channel 10 years ago was I felt really stagnated in my career, and I just wanted to start making YouTube videos to have fun with things and just ultimately try to get better at public speaking. And it really was something that I didn't know the direction I was taking it, but I knew it was a direction I wanted to pursue. I've never actually niched down.
What's a niche?
It's where you focus on like a specific thing. So like you're into sewing right now. So
yeah.
The sewing would be like a sewing channel would be a niche.
Ooh.
Or what does Mariah Elizabeth do?
Squishies.
Squishies. That's a niche. So with my channel, I've never done one specific niche. I've done trucks, motorcycles, side-by-sides, tech stuff, iRacing, all kinds of things. And this is something I could have achieved a long time ago, but what I really wanted to do was do it my way, which was make this channel about all of the things I love, and that eventually people would come around and subscribe to the channel if they liked me and what it was I was doing. And it's just kind of worked. So I've taken the hard path for sure. And I think this channel could have 2-3 times the subscribers it has now if I followed the mold of what other people tell you to do.
Follow the mold? What does that mean?
Just like people tell you that you should do things a certain way.
Oh.
But I just like to do things kind of my way. And sometimes that is the hard-headed way. And
but it pays off after.
It does pay off because
you
what I know is that I've met a lot of creators in my time who have had channels be incredibly successful, seen channels where they've been incredibly successful, focused on one little niche, but then eventually that person just loses interest in that thing because you can only do it for so long before you just get burned out. Very few people who are like ultra successful in one niche are really about that life to the point where they can do it for 10 years and not get bored of doing it. And if you get bored of doing it, the content suffers because of it. So I'm really proud of the way that I've done this. I hope that one day she looks back on the content that I did and also sees the bad content that I did. And
I've already seen it.
She's also my biggest troll. And, just ultimately...
Owen was.
Owen, shout out to Owen. You're also my biggest troll. Owen and I went from being nemesis to allies, so now I think you're just my nemesis.
I was going to say something. I forgot what I was going to say.
When it comes to mind, you just pipe up and say it.
Keep going with
All right, I'll keep it. My ultimate hope is that one day she looks back on this journey that I've been on, whether I continue doing it or don't. I think I will. I think I'll be doing YouTube forever. I think it'll just maybe change and take seasons of however I decide whatever I want to make at the time. And go ahead.
I found out what I was going to say. He has bad videos and he has videos he's hiding from you. He was going to post some videos on YouTube and now he didn't.
What am I hiding?
Remember that video with the horses? And you didn't post it?
Oh, with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we don't... Oh, I've tried to use my editing skills to put together good videos, but every video...
didn't put it on
Because
YouTube.
every video that I make that's meant to be even for the family, she wants to be on YouTube for the masses because this one wants to have a YouTube channel as well. But
Yay.
we're trying to make sure that because of everything I've seen, YouTube has given me a lot of really cool opportunities, but it's also really, it's a lot to put yourself out there. Again, something that I know she doesn't have the context for, but we have had situations out in public where I was approached and I
was there.
And she was there, and it was awkward and uncomfortable, and I certainly don't want people approaching my daughter because of a YouTube channel. Stranger danger. So there's a reason why I don't have her on the channel frequently, or if I do, there's like snippets or the back of her head.
Or it's a short video.
Short video. With that said, do you have anything else to say? That's a no. So with that said, thank you guys very much. Oh, do you want to do the outro? Do you know my outro?
Not much. I know some of it.
Try to go give it a shot.
Okay, this is going to be my shot of doing it. Well, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, or click the next video, or do both.
She said it best. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Without you guys, none of this stuff is possible, and this has been a really incredible experience for me, and I'm grateful for every second of it. So, catch you guys on the next one.
Bye-bye.
Do you want to do the thing where you go like, boom?
Oh, sure.
Perfect.